I'm the pasta king because this is so easy but tasty. Season your boneless beef short ribs with oil, salt, pepper, then sear on two sides until golden, black, or brown, just like I am. Deglaze your pan with a 1/4 cup red wine and 3/4 of a cup beef stock. Toss into a pressure cooker along with your short ribs, garlic, and thyme. After an hour 30, they more tender than meat you put in a blender. Saute a shallot in a few tablespoons of oil for 1 minute or medium heat, then add a couple minced garlic cloves, a pinch of red pepper flakes, and 1 tablespoon tomato paste. Ototo has the coolest kitchen gadgets I've ever seen, and you can save 15% by using code JUSTICE15. Use your super cool bat themed wine opener to crack open a bottle of dry white wine, then add a 1/4 cup to your pan. Add the rest of these ingredients over medium heat over medium heat until mediumly heated. Cook 9 ounces of your favorite pasta in heavily salted water, then drain using your spaghetti monster. Add 12 ounces of your fall apart beef, noodles, butter, parmigiano, pepper, and parsley. Finish by adding more of the same. Remember to click the link in my bio and check out Ototo for some really cool kitchen gadgets. Save 15% using my code all the way up to January 17th. This is why.